Makoge Enterprises is here. So let me run you through an installation work that we did on site, which is an FCU, which has been installed, and other accessories or other um, systems or services that have been interconnected with the FCU system. So the FCU, which is the abbreviation in full, which is a fan coil unit. And an FCU, a fan coil unit, it's an HVAC device or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning device, which have got a fan as well as a heat exchanger coil, which is being used to condition the air from outside, either heating up that air or cooling the air, which should be done via a temperature control device or unit. Now, let me run you through all the different installations that we've done. We have a chill water pipe, both supply and return, as you can see. And then also we have a valve package, which we've just put a thermocol there. We'll bring the devices and install as well later. And then also we have the condensation drain pipe, as you can see, a small, I think 20 millimeter pipe, which is showing outside. Just left for us to install the condensation drain pipe, which we'll do that later. And let me run you through now the electrical system. As you can see, we have pipes or conduit pipes that have been installed on the soffit. These are all galvanized irons or GI conduits, as you can see. So we have different services such as the power system. We also have as well the BMS system, as well as the fire alarm systems as well, which are all interconnected with the HVAC system or this FCU system. So let me run you through all the different services that we've done already on site. So first we have the power. As you can see, there's a 3x3 box which is being installed for power supply. We will have a spore unit which will be installed. Already we've done cable pulling as well, or wire pulling. We have the BMF conduit as well, which is also installed. Cables, or the cables are still balanced for us to pull right to the FCU control relay box, which is also installed. So we've done the piping already, just some wires and cables which are missing for us to pull. And we also have as well the fire alarm system conduit that is being installed as well. I'll run you through as well. This is a 3x3 box as well that is being installed on the soffit for fire alarm system. We should done that as well. So basically what we'll do here is just pulling the cables. Once we're done with the cables, then we start doing testing for continuity as well as insulation resistance test. So once we're done with that, then we can start doing the termination and then doing the commissioning of the system. So these are all the pipes that we've installed. I think what is left now is just for us to connect from the FCU control or relay box to the terminal board of the FCU or fan core unit. Yeah, that is what is left for us to do, and then pulling all the different cables as well. These are the things essentially that we're doing on site. And basically what happens is for you to be able to coordinate all these different services, which is quite important. It's quite important that you bring all the different services together so that you know how to do your connections on site, just to ensure that we get best quality service while we are doing our installation on site, which is quite important. Till then, you're watching Makoge Enterprises.